Today, we'll be taking a look at the PCB Main on this LG gas dryer. Be sure to visit ApplianceVideo.com, where you will find thousands of repair videos on the latest technology. And for a limited time, you can save big on an annual membership and take advantage of all of our premium benefits. ApplianceVideo.com. Do it right the first time. Stop. Before beginning any repair, always be sure to disconnect the power to the appliance. It is also recommended to test the outlet for the proper voltage. Remember to also turn off the gas. You will need the following tools to complete this repair. To begin, must first remove the rear panel from the console here. It is held on by multiple Phillips screws. Of course, when we take the last one off, make sure you hold on to the panel. Next, slide off, and then we can just let it sit down here. When removing the console, you'll notice it's on here kind of stiff. What I recommend doing is holding on to it, putting a putty knife directly underneath the console, and just start to pry up, just very gently. Lift up, and then roll your console forward. Now that we have the console rolled forward on a protected surface, we have clear access to the PCB Main here. Now, in order to actually access the PCB Main, there is a locking tab that is over on the right side here. I'm just going to clip it in with my fingers, lift it up, and just roll the PCB forward so we can actually see it here. There's a lot of different reasons why you'd be replacing your PCB Main. The main reasons that I usually see is that the unit will not turn on, or maybe the drum will not stop rotating even when you have the unit powered down. You can test all the different functions from here, or you can test them directly at the components, but if you do need to replace the unit, once you have it moved forward, each one of these Molexes have a locking tab on there somewhere. You'll pinch it, like this one is right here, pinch it, lift up, just go around the rest of it, and do the same thing. Go ahead and pull this out of the strain reliever here. Pull this up just to give us a little bit more room. This back one's really stuck in there. Pull it out and set it to the side. When installing a new PCB Main, first we're going to start on the side that gave us the most trouble first. Let's plug that in. And let's go ahead and put the wiring back inside the strain reliever. If you remember correctly, the black wire was below the white. Of course, it met with the tape here. Now, let's go through and reinstall the rest of our wires. Pull this last one in here. Make sure all of them are snug. Then we're going to flip it over, slide in the side portion over here first, press down to clip it in. Now we can reinstall the console and back. When reinstalling your console, we're going to line it up in the front clips underneath. We'll need to go into the slotted area on the top. So we will pop those in place. We need to make sure that the back pins are lined up. Next, let's go ahead and slide the plate back on, slide it in place, and let it go underneath the lip of it. Now let's reinstall one screw. reinstall the others. And this will complete your repair. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com. If you found this video helpful, make sure you click the like and subscribe to our channel.